the hardware and software quest. Tech Talk. In this chapter, we will learn about computer, hardware, software. Computer. A computer is an electronic device. It helps us to write, draw, calculate and play games. It is made up of two parts, hardware and software. These two parts are further divided into many parts. Let us know about them in detail. Hardware. Hardware is the physical part of the computer that we can touch, feel and see. For example, the monitor, the keyboard, the mouse, etc. The main components of a computer hardware are as follows: input devices, processing device, output devices, storage devices. Input devices. Input devices allow us to enter data and instructions into a computer to carry out various tasks. The most commonly used input devices are keyboard and mouse. Let us learn about some input devices in brief. Keyboard. The most common input device is a keyboard. It is used to enter data and instructions into the computer by typing. The most common type of keyboard is called the QWERTY keyboard. It gets its name from the first 6 letters on the top row, which are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. Mouse. A mouse is a pointing input device that controls the cursor's movement on the screen. It has 2 buttons, left button and right button, and a scroll wheel in between. The most common types of mouse used nowadays are the optical mouse and the wireless mouse. Joystick. A joystick is a controlling device that consists of a handheld stick. It is used to play games on a computer and helps to control different movements in the game. It has some push buttons which are pressed to give inputs. Scanner. A scanner is a device which copies pictures and documents so that they can be stored on a computer. It translates the information into a digital format that a computer can understand. It works in the same way as a photocopy machine. Different types of scanners are available these days. For example, flatbed scanners, handheld scanners, and sheet-fed scanners. Microphone. A microphone is used to record voice, music, or any other sound on a computer. Graphics tablet. A graphics tablet is used to draw images just as we draw images with a pencil on paper. It consists of a flat surface called a tablet and a pen-like device called a stylus. This stylus is used to draw images on the tablet surface, which are then displayed on the computer monitor and can be saved for later use. Touchscreen. A touchscreen is a special screen. We can touch it with our fingers to give instructions to the computer. It is both an input and an output device. We see the touchscreens on smartphones, smartwatches, laptops, tablets, interactive whiteboards, car infotainment systems, and ATMs. Webcam. A webcam is a video camera that provides visual input to a computer. It captures images and videos and sends them to remote computers through the internet. It is mostly used for video conferencing. Barcode reader. A barcode reader is used to read printed barcodes. A barcode is a series of parallel black lines and white spaces of varying widths found on many products. The barcode reader scans the barcode image and converts it into text, which is then sent to a connected computer. It is commonly used in libraries to scan the barcodes on the back of books. A salesperson in a store uses it to scan the barcodes from the labels of clothes and groceries while billing. Processing device. Central Processing Unit, CPU, is known as the brain of the computer. The process of changing input data into meaningful information is called processing, which takes place in the CPU. The CPU is a chip placed inside the CPU cabinet. The CPU is made up of three main parts. Arithmetic Logic Unit, ALU. It performs all the arithmetic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also performs logical comparisons like greater than, less than, and equal to. Control Unit, CU. It manages and coordinates the flow of data and instructions between the MU, the ALU, and other parts of CPU. Memory Unit, MU. It stores data and instructions that are to be processed. Output devices. Output devices display the result after the CPU processes data. Let us learn about a few of them. Monitor. A monitor is the primary output device used to display images, text, and videos generated by a computer. It is also called a visual display unit, VDU. The output displayed on the monitor is called a soft copy. Printer. A printer is an output device. It prints text and pictures from the computer on paper. The output obtained is called a printout or hard copy. Different types of printers are available these days. Commonly used printers are inkjet printers and laser printers. Projector. A projector is an output device that takes the display from a computer screen and projects it onto a flat surface like wall. It is often used in meetings and classrooms to help everyone in the room to view the content clearly. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to sounds produced by a computer. They can be internal as well as external. Wireless external speakers are also available these days. Headphones. Headphones are small speakers that we wear over our ears. They let only one person listen to sound or music at a time. Plotter. A plotter is a special type of printer that is used to produce high-quality, large-scale drawings and maps. It is used by engineers, architects, scientists, and designers. Storage devices. Storage devices are used with the computer to store our data for later use. These devices are either fitted inside the computer, for example, the hard disk, or are attached externally, for example, pen drive, CD, DVD, etc. A hard disk is the main storage device and stores a large amount of data in a computer. There are many types of storage devices. Some common storage devices are as follows: hard disk, pen drive, memory card, DVD or digital versatile disk, Blu-ray disc. Software. Software is a set of instructions that tells a computer how to perform a specific task. Some popular softwares are Paint, Notepad, Microsoft Office, Scratch Junior, and Windows. These are the parts of the computer which we cannot touch or feel. Different types of software are used to do different kinds of work. There are 3 types of software in general. Let us learn about them. System software, a collection of programs that control the overall operation of the computer system, is called system software. It basically reads data from input devices, processes it, and sends the output to output devices. The most common example of system software is the operating system, without which a computer cannot work. Windows, Linux, Mac OS, Android, and iOS are some examples of operating systems. Application software. The software or set of programs designed to perform a specific task is called application software. For example, Microsoft Office, Paint, TuxPaint, etc. These programs are user-friendly and highly interactive. Programming software, the software that helps us create our own games and stories on a computer, is called programming software. Some examples are Logo and Scratch Junior.